In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build insurance forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your workspace, open Claude AI in your browser as well. You will use Claude to help generate the structure of your form, and then you will review and refine it inside Jotform. Before creating anything, decide on the goal of your insurance form. Be clear about what you need the form to collect. This could be a policy application, a claim form, a customer information form, or a coverage request form. Having a clear purpose will help you generate a more accurate form layout. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create an insurance form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for applicant details, policy information, coverage selection, and supporting documents. Make it clear, professional, and ready to use. After Claude generates the form in Jotform, return to your Jotform account and locate the newly created form. Open it and review the structure carefully. Check that the main sections are in place and that the wording is suitable for your use case. If needed, add more insurance-specific fields. Depending on the type of form you are building, you may want to include fields for policy type, coverage amount, claim details, beneficiary information, and file upload fields for documents. These additions can make the form more complete and better suited to your workflow. Once the fields are in place, arrange the form in a logical order. A clean structure works best, such as starting with applicant information, then moving into policy details, followed by coverage selection, and ending with document uploads. This helps users move through the form more easily. After organizing the layout, customize the form by editing field labels, instructions, and required settings. Make sure the language is clear and professional. This is also the right time to confirm that important fields are marked as required. Then open the form settings and adjust anything needed for submission handling. You can enable notifications, approval flows, or integrations that support your insurance processing workflow. Once that is done, preview the form and test the full submission experience. Review how each section appears, and make sure everything works as expected from start to finish. When you are satisfied with the result, publish the form and share it. You can copy the direct link or embed it on your website, depending on how you want people to access it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.